This is April 4th, and we've got Lucia and Veronica hiccups. Oh, Lou, don't get sad. Hiccup. What's the matter, Lou? Oh, don't be sad. Veronica, what are you doing? The hiccups, Veronica? You get the hiccups? Oh, Lou. Lucia doesn't like the hiccups. Okay, Mom.